Okay, so let's press Control R, and you can see a yellow line appeared. Okay, so Control R, click, and then move your mouse. I'm not pressing anything else. Move your mouse right here, hold Shift. Same goes for this. Here, same. Here, and here. Now, I'm gonna press 3 because it's been in edge select mode when we use the Control R tool. Select this face, press E to extrude, just move it a little bit up, I think around here. Okay, now let's add a couple more edges, so Control R, one right here. Actually, no, it was okay. One right here. No, actually, here, here, okay. Now press 3, select this, and drag it up. Hold Shift, just like this. Actually, just a little bit more, something like this, and then extrude and move it up, and there we go. That's this part. Okay, let's go inside. Oops. Let's actually select the bottom and press numpad period that it's next to delete on your numpad. Okay, so we're inside, and we want to add some lines to the walls with Control R. So start with this wall. Oh, sorry. And slide. No, okay. Right here. Slide. Right here. Or we can do the same from the outside, it doesn't matter. Actually, it's better if we use it outside. This here, here, and here. I'm always using Shift for a finesse. Okay. Here. We can always manipulate the lines in case we did something wrong. Okay, for example this one, we can select it and drag it, or edge slide. Better now. And same for this line. Maybe this one as well. Edge slide, hold shift. Okay. Now, we can add some horizontal lines for this. Let's go ahead and do that now. So one would be here, another one here, another one here, okay, and probably another one here. Okay, so let's go ahead and press 3, select this whole door, extrude, and move it here. And for this one as well, I'm guessing, yes. Let's see, here and here for this one. No, actually, oh yeah, it's good. And that's all. Okay, now another thing we need to do is we're not gonna punch holes in this one because we still need to do some things. For example, add more lines to create this. But let's give you an example. Okay, first let's press 3, select all of these lines. And I think this one should be I should have been a little bit it's because of the image, but it's okay. Select that, press numpad period, and let's press 3, select all of these. Oh. Okay, press extrude, right click to deselect. Now press Alt S and drag it just a little bit. Or Alt S again to move it backwards if you did it too much. Alright, something like this. Now I want to select these and delete faces. You can also dissolve edges. If you have an edge, let's say like this, and you don't want it, you can select it, Alt Shift left click and X, dissolve edge, and it's gone. Now 3, select these faces, numpad period or numpad delete, faces, so you want to do this for all of these, because when you push the wall backwards, and actually when we're gonna cut this and you push the wall backwards, this thing will get in the way, so you'll delete for every hole that it is except for these ones. Actually you can also delete for this, and yeah, I should have created a hole when I created this, because now it has an angle, so keep that in mind. Once you do that, press 2, select this and this, press F, and you insert the face. Don't worry about this hole. Now let's cut this hole. You're gonna cut for every arc, So alright, press K on your keyboard, that's the cut tool. Select this and make sure to keep a certain proportion to your length. That way it won't be so clunky. Okay, and then press space. When you finish it, if you press 1, you can see all these individual. Don't grab them in your view, because that would mean this, and you don't want that. Use the gizmo in case you didn't. Okay. Okay. And now press 3, select this, press E to extrude, and there you have it. Now if you did this, it's very simple. Once you build up your thing here, you could, you know, select, actually you could dissolve these edges and select this and grab it like this, and then you can add, let's say, something like this, move it forward. Actually should have been like this in the first place, and then grab this and have this kind of thing. You can select these, extrude by the X. Make sure it's like a square, you know. Okay. Okay, and then forgot one. Select this as well. Extrude on the X. Bam. Then F. And then select this. Extrude on the Y. But in this case, this one didn't had this. So when you do it, let's say here, and here, and here, like here for example, maybe here, but that's a good example of how you want to do this. So yeah, that's kind of it. And for the table and its legs, it's pretty easy. You just you select this, go in edit mode, create, Shift A cube. So now this cube has the coordinates of the mapping to this. So if you move the cube if it's all selected, you can see it has its coordinates on it. And now we can just go press P, separate by selection. Now it's been separated. Exit edit mode, select the cube, but don't move it like this because that won't do anything. Just go to edit mode as well, select all of it, scale it by the Z-axis, move it down a little bit. Now we can use this panel here, go to wireframe, move it just around here. Now let's see where we can find the table. Somewhere here. Oh, there it is. We found it. So let's move it. Okay, like this. And now press 3, select this face, drag it. Okay, it's right here. Now select this face, drag it. It's right there. If it's not like this, maybe you can grab this edge and move this edge a little bit like this. Go underneath it, select that face, and there it is. maybe not in this position. So what you want to do is select it all and just drag it close to the wall, and then just move it down to find it again. There it is, this time with different coordinates. So probably you wanna find it again in this here. Okay, it's right here. It's right here. And this one here. Here. There we go. And there it is. And for the legs as well, select this and create go edit mode. Doesn't matter what you selected. Create I think a cube again. P, separate by selection. Go down. And then let's scale it down a little bit. Actually, you could no, I did a mistake when I separated by its selection. Okay, so you always have to keep in mind that this anchor point, it's similar to this anchor point. So this one, you see that little orange thing, it's the same as with the walls. So that means that the texture coordinates are the same as with the other object. So again, I can press L to select the individual mesh, move it, okay, and either you can edit it here, but be aware of not selecting the other faces of the walls. So we can scale L, separate by selection, and now we can exit edit mode, select the cube, go to edit mode, and then we can apply its transformations. Something like, I guess, something like this. Oops. Now we can go here, press 1, and we can manipulate it here. Something like this, and I think it's the other way around. Okay, now top view, we can move it, oops, here. Maybe, yeah, it's not it's the same with the image, but it should do fine. Okay, I'll duplicate it. Actually, look at it like this in the right orthographic view, rotate it. Okay, you can select this and say scale on the z-axis 0, and now it's horizontal. Same goes for this, SZ0. You can just maybe drag it a little bit down. This one, move it up. And now select everything, Shift D to duplicate, move it like this, press 7 numpad key, click R and then hold Control and then move it, and then you can see its degrees right here. So it's 180, and this is it. Move it a little bit like this, and you can tweak it with Control R. Add this, actually, let's see, Control R, and let's write down 0.2, no, minus 0.2, no, 0.3, 0.4, 0.5, 6, 7, 8, no, 0.9, minus 0.9, press enter. Same goes for this. Oh, sorry, Control R, click, minus 0.9. Okay, go to press 3, delete these faces, and now we can say go to edge selection mode, this one with this one, F, this one with this one, F, this one with this one, F, F, and there we go, and Shift D, drag another one down here, and there you have it. Oh, and yeah, maybe you want the 0.3, no, 7, yeah, 0.7 with 0.8, no, 9, yeah, so 0.7 with 0.9, same, delete this face, and we're gonna add these, whoops, okay, now select, press L with your mouse over this object, delete vertices, and select this one, and Shift D, and then move it like this, and there you have it. It's there somehow, but it's there. Okay, so this is it. Hope you guys like the video, and anything else, just put your comments in your down below. Bye bye.